Hello, my name is Rashi Kaur and I'm working on my business project. I stay here in DLF Phase 3 in Gurgaon. I have a daughter, she's 2 years and 8 months old and her name is Riddhi Kaur. There were basically two reasons for me to send my daughter to the daycare center. The first reason was that since I told you that I am working on my business project, and apart from that I am also doing MTech from Delhi College. Plus I also as a mother, you can't give all the time to your daughter because you have to, as I said, you have to do your college work, you have to look after your business, you have to look after your house. So apart from that, I could see that she was not able to interact with her age group, which is not possible in a society every time. So the reason for me sending her to daycare center was so that she can interact with the other kids. She can play so many different games which we as a family, which we as a parents don't have all the games at our home. So another thing is also that one thing I have noticed in her, she never used to share anything before. But after sending her to daycare, I have been observing that she has understood the concept of sharing. Now she shares the things with her friends, with family, and she herself says कि mama share करना है. So that's in fact a very good thing that I have seen in her. She greets everybody, like when she comes to school or when she goes back from the daycare center or after attending her school. So she greets everybody, good morning, bye, see you. So that is again another one more good thing that I have observed. Now about this particular footprints that my daughter comes to. I actually before getting her admitted in here, I actually had a survey. I went to so many different daycare centers, but the one thing which I liked here was that there are 14 to 16 CCTV cameras, so which is very good, and you can anytime see your daughter whenever I want to see. She just a click away from me. And apart from that also, I have also given some surprise visits without letting the school know that I am going to come. So I have observed that whatever they have been doing in presence, whenever I have been there present, they have been doing it in my absence also. So that's a very good feeling. And the last thing I can say that I'm happy, and I think that is what matters to a mother. I can devote time to my business, to my college, to my I can meet my friends, and when she comes back from the daycare, I can see that the time that I spend with her is a quality time, which is very important. So I'm happy. That's it. Thank you.